What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 10 device in 2025. So let's get right into this. So this is a fairly quick fix, and we're going to get right into this. All you need to do is go to your search bar and type in regedit to open up this registry editor. Once you have this opened up, we're going to do a few things. If you have stuff open because you were doing something in the past, that's fine. We're going to just close everything out. So this is what we're going to do. I have like a little list right here for you so you can follow along. You're going to go into HKey local machine. In here, you're going to open up system. So we're going to find wherever system is. So right here, under system, we're going to find current control set. Under here, control. Under here, you're going to click into NSI. It's somewhere at the bottom. You can also type in the first letter. It'll usually take you to that place. So in here, then you're going to open up the first one. In here, you're going to right click into 26. Go into, you don't need to, sorry, double click into it. You don't need to right click into it. Click into this one and then do modify. Oh, no, wait, not that. Sorry. It is this one, and it is permissions. Apologies. So once you've done that, you double click into the 26, right click into it, click into permissions. In here, you're going to see something called full control. And you're going to press it allow, basically, because it's not going to be checked on. And then you want to then press apply. That's it. So that's all you're going to do in this component over here. So yeah, permissions. I forgot to read my home steps. And then enable full control and press apply. Then, once you're done with this, you're going to go back into your search bar, type in CMD, right-click into it, and run as administrator. A lot of folks don't run as admin, so run as an administrator. Press yes, basically, or move forward. And then you're going to do this. You're going to copy that, and then just place it in here, and then let that run. And you're going to see over here, restart your computer. You should be good to go, and you will not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the like button. Guys, on your channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. More tutorials out. Peace.